Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Akshay, and in today's session I'm going to be discussing about the topic membrane transport proteins for facilitated diffusion. If you guys want to learn more about the transport of substances through the cell membrane, then click subscribe and the bell icon. So let's do this together. Coming to the topic membrane transport proteins for facilitated diffusion. So facilitated diffusion is also known as carrier-mediated diffusion. Here, the carrier protein specifically facilitates the diffusion of substance from one side of the membrane to the other side. So, in this figure you can see as the concentration of substance increases, you can see this rate of diffusion also increases proportionately. So in this simple diffusion, you can see as the concentration of substance increases, the rate of diffusion also increases. You can see this straight line here. But in case of facilitated diffusion, this diffusion process cannot increase more than this Vmax level. So here, in facilitated diffusion, as the concentration of substance increases, this rate of diffusion will increase up to Vmax level. And after that, this rate of diffusion will become constant, even though this concentration of substance increases. As I already told, in facilitated diffusion, a protein carrier acts as a transporting agent. So in this protein carrier, there is a presence of binding agent. So the molecule that has to be transported enters into this pore and becomes bound. So within a fraction of a second, a conformational change occurs in the carrier protein, and thus the pore will get inverted towards the opposite side, and then the substance which has to be transported gets transported to the other side of the membrane. Among many molecules that crosses the cell membrane by facilitated diffusion are glucose and most of the amino acid molecules. So one of the glucose transporter, GLUT4, gets activated by insulin. And this GLUT4 can increase the rate of facilitated diffusion of glucose as much as 10 to 20 times in insulin-sensitive areas. And this is a principal mechanism by which insulin controls the glucose use in the body. So that covers the topic membrane carrier proteins for facilitated diffusion. I hope you guys learned about this particular topic. Thank you so much guys. See you guys in the next session.